Hello guys, this is SRINIVAStheDEVELOPER from the Developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 2 June 2021. Function calculateDistance is the program we have to solve today. The functional method calculateDistance accepts a two argument point1 and point2 representing 2 points. We have to find the distance between these 2 points and we have to return the value as a float value. Here this is the uh, point they have given, x1 and y1, x2 and y2. The formula for calculating distance is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus this is nothing but 1 by 2, which is nothing but root plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. I'm kind of lazy to write those things. Y2 minus y1, this should be x1. Yeah, this is the formula. If we apply this formula to these values, this is nothing but x1 and y1, x2 and y2. 7 minus 4 is nothing but 3, and 6 minus 5 is nothing but 1. 3 squared is 9 and 1 squared is 1. If we add those values, we'll get 10, and the root of 10 is nothing but 3.16. and here this is 9 and 2, x2 minus x1, which is nothing but 9 squared plus 2 squared minus 2 might be, but if we square this value it will be positive. So 81 plus 4 will get 85. If we take a root for this 85, we'll get 9.22. That's it guys. Let's say in a programmatical way. Here this is the calculate distance, point 1 and point 2. They have passed as address values, so we can access those values with a arrow member function. For example, %d, 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 %d. x2, sorry, x1 is this, slash n, y1 is this, slash n, x2 is this, slash n, y2 is this. Here we can pass the values, point 1 x, comma point 1 y, likewise you have to pass the point 2 x, point 2 y. Here we have to return something, return 0.0, because this is the double value. If I just run this program, we'll get we have to pass some values, right? 1 2 for x1 and y1, 3 4 for x2 and y2. We got 0.0. This is because I haven't saved this program, so it just executed the past one. 1 2 3 4. We got, yeah, x1 y1, x2 and y2 values. Here we got 40 something. This is not 40, actually it's just 4, and then this 0.0 that we have passed here. So we don't have to worry about it, we just have to return the value, return power of, this should be 0.5 because that represents the root, and then this should be power of 0.2x minus 0.1x. Oh my god, 0.1x plus power of, this should be square value, right? Power of 0.2 y minus 0.1 y. So if we just run this program, we'll get the value 9 minus 2, 0 and 0. We got 9.22, which is nothing but the expected value. Here this is 4576, the output is 3.16. 4576, the expected output is 3.16. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here this one line is the thing that you have to fill that. See you soon with something else guys, bye.